Again. Hi, this is Mark Greenwald. I'm Eva. We're here watching them do flash Thai cooking here in Bangkok. Not sure what she's making, but a lot of people here are eating it, and a very strong fire. Looks and smells delicious, and we're going to head on over to our restaurant for our pad Thai dinner. So, pretty busy. Call us, Eva and Mark Greenwald, when we take you all over the world. In this case, wonderful, delicious Bangkok in Thailand. And we've got some street vendors as well. Let's see what she has here. Oh, it looks like dried fruit. Looks good. Okay, dried fruit, cheeses, dried vegetables. Again, this is the street food scene that Anthony Bourdain made so famous on his TV series. So come with us while we navigate this line to get our delicious pad Thai dinner. Love Thai food. Okay, so greetings from Bangkok in Thailand. Enjoy. Here's a little sampling of what's available in the restaurant. Looks yummy. Bon appetit.